Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm just going to do a quick video of the room tour. So step right in. Here we have my collection, and we'll start on this side. So we've got some custom Dragon Ball pieces, some custom Pikachu, Lucky Cat, One Piece Beepo, and Pikachu Joker, Goku, and Tsume Natsu, Tsume Broly, and Prime 1 Vegeta. And going up here, my missus, she got this made for my Father's Day, so it's pretty cool. It's myself and my son. Up here we've got Sideshow X23, Soul Wing Trunks vs Frieza, and Toei Animations Luffy and Anne. Prime 1 Balrog vs Gandalf, awesome piece. And that's just an extra head for the Goku to swap out. We've got XM, Nemesis Prime, Sideshow's Legendary Scale of Darth Maul, XM Maestro on Throne, Prime 1 Optimus from the Bumblebee movie. It's got the exclusive spare parts there of the what you call it, Decepticon. And we've got Queen Studios half scale Aquaman, another awesome piece, silicon portrait. Sideshow Thanos on Throne, Prime 1 2099 Spider-Man, XM Spider-Man, Prime 1 Grimlock with Optimus, and that's just a few switch outs, Jungle Hunter Predator switch outs, and the Prime 1 Big Chap switch out. Some spare parts in there, random Mickey Mouse my missus got me from the shopping centre. Over here we've got the Alien Big Chap, so the OG War versions, Museum and Dynamic. That's another spare swap out for the Trunks over there, the Trunks bust. Prime 1 DK3 Batman, Prime 1 Dog Alien, Sideshow Baby Groot, Queen Studios Alien Big Chap bust, and we've got the two Kirby LBS Hulks. Awesome pieces. Right, and then the two Prime 1 Jungle Hunter Predators. So I've displayed it slightly different, where this has got the green ferns, and this is just more of a more neutral color. Chucked both the scorpions together and added both the skulls in this one instead. Just got a slightly different look. Down here we've got the Prime 1 Studios Berserker Guts. This is the quarter scale. Sideshow Grogu. And the Prime 1 Studios half scales. So you've got the Superman's black suit, and then the OG blue. Armor Batman, and the Dark Knight Christian Bale half scale. And we also have here Prime 1's Rotunda T-Rex and the Velociraptors. So it's another big piece. This is the OG one, the large one. It's really big base as well. Sideshow, just Wolverine art. And on over here we've got the Infinity Studios bus. So we've got pat flacked. These are huge, big pieces, silicone. And here's the Batman, of Infinity. Awesome portrait. Get right in there. And Infinity Studios, the Dark Knight Christian Bale. Awesome portrait. And the Joker from Dark Knight. So Heath Ledger. This one's perfection. Awesome. And then panning to the middle, we've got the XM Studios War Tank and Hulkbuster. Right, so plan is to move these, we shuffle some pieces away around, and then maybe box some, put them away, or try to sell some. And then I'll have the T800 Terminator bus, which should be arriving in the next week or so. Put in the middle, and then I'll just grab another bus maybe and put him on the other end. So I'll just quickly pan around, zoom out a bit, give you an idea of how it looks. And I'm just using my mobile phone, so my apologies if it's a bit shaky. And then I'm just the ceiling, the hex LED lights in my double garage. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick room tour. Have a good one. Bye.